So this is our weekly Harinam Sankirtan. It is very ecstatic. As you can see, the people around us really enjoy it. They come voluntarily and they join singing and dancing. It's amazing. So this is the last Harinam this year. There will be one in New Year's Eve. It's gonna be an even bigger than this one, but until then we won't have more, because devotees will start Srila Prabhupada the book distribution marathon, and during the marathon we don't have this Harinam weekly. So see you in the next video. I'm gonna continue with the Krishna Valley series from Govardhan Puja. So Hare Krishna.